NXC Finland. I'm the CEO of here in Finland. I have a very challenging topic today. What social media, search engine optimization and web analytics got to do with multi-channel publishing. I have a couple of real-life stories, but why we are actually here, what web analytics and search engine optimization, why we should do them. It's all about business optimization. That should be our key focus. It's not like we want to have some sort of web analytics report. You don't actually you can't benefit from those reports. You have to get like insights, development ideas, what to do next, how can we learn actually customer behavior, and how can we actually optimize our marketing communication. I have shown this so-called big picture several times in our seminars, and usually we are maybe concentrating on our website, and we try to measure our website with different kind of web analytics systems. But nowadays there are like other channels, social media. Everybody's social media expert nowadays. And as you saw, we have also here some technical stuff like document management. And then on the other hand, we have also offline channels like physical point of sales. And what we actually should do, we should learn how people move across these channels. You don't, if you are a consumer or you don't think that, hey, I'm crossing the channel right now and jump on the other side. You don't think about it actually. It's so smooth. You don't. But we as marketers, we should definitely measure these crossing points. And then when we get the mobile in, it's really hard actually to place that mobile channel into that big picture. It's like everything all over across these channels. And if you want to actually measure phone calls, then there is one really good Swedish software. You can have unique phone numbers which are redirected to normal phone numbers like your cell phone number or your company number. But you can use these so-called virtual numbers in different kind of campaigns or in your website. And you can actually measure how much money or how many leads you got from your website through the phone channel. This is one solution for that. I have a customer, Atelier Goldner Schnitt, which is selling women's clothing, and they have 3 sales channels: the snail mail, phone, and the internet channel. And we are actually measuring how the sales goes in different channels. We try to promote more and more internet channel. We try to push people from other channels to internet because it's the most cost efficient one. And the average order value is much higher in this channel. How many of you actually are using Google Analytics? Quite many, I would say roughly 90%, maybe 95%. Of course you can use other systems as well, like TNS metrics and so on. and you probably should. But you know, in Google Analytics there are actually reports about mobile users. You can get this information right now. How many percentages of your site users are actually coming in with the mobile device? And you know even the operating system of the mobile device. In this report, can't remember which website this is, but there is like almost 2% is coming in from all the traffic with mobile devices, and there is like iPhone and Symbian, which means basically Nokia devices, are sharing the top spot in this report. But if you want to tune up Google Analytics, you have to maybe set up some extra code to server side. And you can actually track the usage of your mobile site. Actually, board showed us, and we can do a mobile website pretty easily with Easy Publish. Or if there is like smartphones, you want to measure how they are engaging your normal website. Or if there is an iPhone or Android application, then you need again do something else if you want to track usage of those services. Here's actually a print ad from one of our customers, and obviously I was a little bit late, you know, running into this campaign, and I said that if you want to actually measure this print advertising, you need to have some sort of unique URL address in that advertisement. And as you can see, here is call to action and here is the URL. But what's wrong about this ad? Can anyone tell me? Someone? Please. It's not a tricky.
What does it sell?
Well, the call to action is actually a competition to companies, and here's the URL. But the call to action is here. So basically, you should have the real call to action competition. Join this competition. You can actually win a workshop. These should be like vice versa. That's what we learned when we measured the outcomes of this ad, visitors basically through this print ad. So you should get the call to action much bigger and of course the URL. But that's what we learned. And we used Google AdWords campaign, we used a little bit social media. We measured every and each channel, but we found out that only people from the print ad were converting. So basically we got only participants to this competition through this print ad. So that's what we learned. So good lessons here. And some of you have probably heard about this Sea Life case, but this is so excellent case, I still keep on going with this. And basically we had an outdoor advertisement, then we had a press release, we had page search, we had newsletter, we had a magazine article, and we could measure every channel, and we tried to get, you know, visitors to Sea Life's website, where we had actually this special offer coupon and we could count every coupon which were printed out. And as you can see, there is this code. And with that code, we could actually measure how many people converted to actually the physical point of sale, which means the actual show at Sea Life. And we got really good and insightful report about these channels, how much each channels cost, what was the cost per click, what was the cost per action. And within just this one report, there is plenty of insights to plan the marketing communications in the future. This is actually a really good example. I saw this. Who have seen this outdoor ad? One, yeah, couple of, yeah. So basically, this is a quick response code. You see them a lot in Asia. I heard that Americans are getting these public, but this is in Helsinki, and the advertiser is Les Mills. How many of you know what Les Mills is? It's something to do with body pump, spinning, and so on. So exercising. And this quick response code, if you use it, it actually you can select whether to use a mobile site or to install an application. So what I did, I actually installed the application. It's quite nice. And there I saw that I have actually a free pass to one of these exercising lessons. But this is, if we go back to this outdoor advertisement, if you don't know what the Les Mills is, you don't know what this advertising is selling, what is the call to action, get a free ticket. Well, I would like to take that, yes please. And you could probably use some of these pictures to get the idea that this is about exercising. And probably the free pass is actually a quick response code, so you can track that down. You can actually get a unique quick response code by a bus stop. So that could give us really nice insights where our buyers are actually in map. This is a couple of two examples. I took one in Paris and Metro Map, and one in this summer when we had a conference in Berlin with Easy Publish. There is the famous TV tower, and if you use this code, when you buy a ticket, you use this code and they will send you an SMS to your mobile